we are just joining the program, and we have here none other than the developer, than the creator of this Ethereum Plus token, which is Mr. Fernando Urdaneta. We are also very, very briefly go over what is this presentation plan and this, compensation plan very, very briefly, because this is not exactly about the compensation plan. It's just to let you know what we can achieve, what we can earn very briefly. Once again, my friend, great leader, Cryptodon, are you ready to say something about our NEXUMS compensation plan? It's not a presentation. It's just like going over what we know and we can achieve with these NEXUMS, and then we will switch to Ethereum Plus, Ether Plus, and Fernando.
Yeah, thanks, Luis. Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you crystal clear.
All right, great. Yeah, so the original idea was for us to be able to share the screen, but right now we don't have everything open. The time got changed a couple of times, so we wanted to get that out because we had a lot of requests for people asking, to meet Fernando and for him to share his vision on ETH Plus. But the compensation plan is pretty simple. Okay, it pays 0.5 to 1.5% per day, Monday through Friday. They have a binary and they also have a unilevel. For the guys that like to share these type of platforms, you guys know what that is. However, this is completely 100% passive. So there's been a lot of questions in our groups where people are asking about the compensation plan. So when the binary, to qualify for the binary, you need two directs, right? So you need one on your left and one on your right. And the binary pays on the weaker leg. So they go by points. A lot of people pay attention to the number of people that they have in the binary versus the points. So you want to pay attention to the points if you guys are out there sharing the platform with people. And from the binary side of things, it pays 5% on the smaller team. So on your weaker leg, the leg that has the less points, that is what you're going to get paid out on. Okay, guys? And as far as the unilevel, it's 8 levels deep. Okay, so on the first level, it pays 5%. The second level, it pays 5%. Third level down to the 6th level, it pays 1%. Well, 7th level, it pays 1%. And on the 8th level, it pays 5%. So this is pretty much like a hybrid between a binary and a unilevel. So the folks that are just sharing their links with people out there, if you are having multiple people join the team, then and you guys are not building your binary, you still get compensated for that. So I think that that's a good thing here with NEXUMS as far as the compensation plan. But it's pretty short, sweet, to the point. Me and Luis plan to have more Zoom calls where we're doing more presentations and things like that to try to help our team out and build this thing. I think the NEXUMS has a huge potential as far as the business and the token in itself. Okay, I've seen other tokens that's similar to this go up in value within a couple of months. I don't really want to mention in too many other companies out there, but some of you guys are in those programs and those platforms, so you guys know that as well. But that pretty much wraps it up. The next presentation, we'll have the compensation plan, we'll have the PDF and everything like that, and we'll be able to give you guys a better visual versus just speaking on it.
Okay. Thank you so much, my friend and business partner, Mr. Cryptodon. We're gonna make something great here out of Ether Plus and also out of NEXUMS. First of all, guys, I would like to thank you all for being here in this call with such a short notice, and I would also like to thank Fernando Urdaneta. He is originally from Venezuela. He's like Latino like me. We both speak English and Spanish. He speaks some English, so if he doesn't feel comfortable with something, I will be more than happy to translate all your questions and his answers and everything. I started recording. Thanks for reminding me in the chat, because I totally forgot about that. But now it's recording, so you will be able to share this presentation with your team members and everything. Fernando, thank you so much for being here with us. briefly heard about what is the NEXUMS side of the business. We are, at least me, more interested what is about the future, the present, what you see, what is your vision about Ether Plus, Ethereum Plus. Fernando, si me entendiste, si no puedo hacer la traducción de lo que dije.
Yeah, I understand you.
Great.
On the first thing, I just want to say thank you each people here to take the time to understand, to hear about the project, about the ETH Plus. I just want to say, if you are not taking action on this, you will be very, very sad, and the future it comes later, because today the token is over the $4, and a few days is going to come on the $10. You can earn this per day, just taking a very minus investment, and you can start earning this per week, and you can start earning this every day. And if you take action today, you can have so much money. But I don't talk about just the money. The money is just an instrument to make the things better. My vision here is have how can I say it? Have a very successful project around the world. That's why the Mr. Luis is taking me to this meeting to talk with you. But we can earn a lot of money here. Okay? Entonces, Luis, un pequeño saludo para todos. Ya puedes comenzar a traducirme si hay alguna consulta, para yo poder responderles a todos qué es lo que se viene.
Okay. So he said that he was just doing a quick introduction of the NEXUMS side of the business, and then he would like to answer all your questions if you have any. I let me ask him something myself first. Fernando, ¿tú puedes describir qué es ETHPlus, qué tú ves con la moneda en el futuro, cómo tú la ves ahora, por qué es una buena idea nosotros invertir en ETHPlus? So my question was that how does he see the present and the future of ETHPlus, and why he thinks it should be a good idea for us to start collecting these tokens, and how does he see, once again, the future of this token?
Ok, primero que todo, el token ETHPlus fue creado no solo, como dije hace un momento, para hacer dinero. ETHPlus es más que eso. ETHPlus se va a convertir en el criptoactivo a nivel mundial para ejecutar cambios y para pagar activos, servicios, bienes y cualquier otra cosa que te haga falta.
Okay, so he says that ETHPlus is it was not just created for us or for the people to earn money with the variation in prices. It is a token that in the near future will be pudiéramos decir como un token de utilidad que se podrá, ¿verdad? It will be somehow a utility token that people will be able to use it to perform transactions and to make payments in very fast transactions and very fast payments as well. ¿Qué más? Continúa, por favor.
También la plataforma NEXUMS es para fomentar la productividad del token, ya que, por ejemplo, tú podrías adquirir $100 dentro del exchange y tener esa cantidad de monedas. Tú te ganarías la subida del precio. Más sin embargo, en NEXUMS te permite que comprando los mismos $100, tener el doble en monedas y poder generar ingresos con cualquier invitación que tú hagas. Cualquier persona puede decidir si comprar tokens e ir a NEXUMS, pero si me lo preguntan a mí, es mejor entrar en Nexum para fomentar la productividad, el crecimiento, porque la mejor manera de vender un proyecto y de hacerlo exitoso es con el multinivel. Así llegaríamos a más personas alrededor del mundo para poder seguir creando historia.
Okay, so he says that also it's you could go ahead and buy, for example, in the exchanges, the different exchanges that we have now. The token is listed right now, and you can go ahead and buy, for example, $100 worth of tokens in the exchanges, or also if you are interested, let's call it like that, you could also join NEXUMS and purchase a package of $100 and then with time double it. From his point of view, this action, the latter, joining NEXUMS, is way much better, because what we're doing is they're doing is creating a community. So by or through this community, people are not only going to be able to double their deposit, their investment, but also this interaction between the exchanges and NEXUMS, people buying and sharing the token, and that will drive the prices up. And then that's the intention with NEXUMS.
I have a question, Luis.
Okay, well, we're gonna have a Q&A. Let's wait for him to
Okay.
finish his presentation, please. Entonces, eso era todo lo que querías decir. ¿Cómo ves? ¿Por qué crees que el precio va a subir?
Por supuesto, el precio va a incrementar, número uno, por el FOMO que se ha creado, porque ya hoy por hoy tenemos más de 1 millón de historias de éxito, sin hablar del multinivel, que es lo que se va a arrancar en este momento. Número dos, la usabilidad de la moneda, ya cada persona está holdeando, y créeme que el día de mañana, no te estoy diciendo un futuro incierto, el token va a costar alrededor de $8. Por eso siempre digo, tomen acción y compren y holdeen, porque mañana, con certeza, el token se va a poner en $8 o $9.
Okay, so he thinks that ETH Plus is going to be a successful story for all of us because of the FOMO that has been created, the fear of missing out. People are listening to stories. People before this NEXUMS project, people heard about the token. A lot of people purchased bought this token at 15 cents, 32 cents, under $1. I purchased almost 6,000 tokens under $1. Right now is right around $4.50, $4.60, $5. So imagine, just before I started NEXUMS, I was over like 500-600 times my deposit, my investment. So another thing that is creating this very, very successful future for ETH Plus is that the usability is going to have, and right now people are sharing their stories like so much money they have made. I know people that have made $200,000, $300,000 already. Well, because they knew before it went public with NEXUMS, they knew about what was coming. So many people bought a lot of coins, a lot of tokens. And right now, his vision is that this week, either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, this token will jump from 4.5, from 450, etc. I don't know. I don't remember. 450, 460. It's going to be either $7, $8, $9. Either tomorrow, the day after. This week is going to jump. He knows that because he sees what's going on. He's the developer of the token. He sees what's going on, what movements are going on with the tokens, and he thinks that this week is going to jump all the way up to $9. So, vamos a coger preguntas de la gente ahora.
Hey, Cryptodom, you can make your question. I'm here to hear it, and we are waiting for you.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. I appreciate that. I have a series of questions, but I'm just going to ask them one at a time and give Luis a chance to talk to you as well. As far as the token and the 3 security features, when is more information going to be available on that?
Information is going to be available in 10 days because the triple security, I can here talk about that. The first security key is to access to your wallet. The second key is the public key. And the third key is to, if you send a transaction to sell to anyone, you can pick the transactions on the first 24 hours, okay? That's is the anti-theft problem of what we have. Some people told me, okay, but anti-theft security, but some people will sell, take the money, and it's wrong because it's a big problem than the first one, okay? But that is not like that because it's supposed you sell the coins to the confidence people, okay? You're not selling coins or buying from people who you don't know, okay? That's the triple K security. That's how he's going to work. You can find that, and if you pick a security key inside of my Ether wallet, you can find the triple security key with some asset what we are going to give to you. If you got ETHPlus, you're able to pick this third key.
Okay. Do you have any questions, Luis, before I start asking more?
No. I'm good. I'm good.
Hey, I've got some questions.
Okay.
I've got 3. My first question was, do you have like a video or a link where we can actually see a live demonstration of these security features being implemented in a wallet?
For sure, and in 10 days I will be able to send this because I don't show it. It's there, but I don't show it because I'm formalizing and making, ¿cómo se dice? Asentamientos, o sea, asegurar el proyecto. I'm going to
Settle.
project.
He says that he has it, but he doesn't want to show it right now because he first wants to settle everything up before he goes public with all those videos and everything.
Exactly.
Okay, so in 10 days you'll have that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
My other question was, on the NEXUMS website, it said that you guys were trading, correct?
And the NEXUMS, yeah.
Yeah, could you log into your exchanges and show us proof that you are actually trading?
Let me, for sure, I can do it. Just let me log in here. It's a robot connected by API, but I try to find to you the trading what I make there.
Yeah, or I mean, are you guys going to do like trade reports that are sent out to the members, or basically some kind of proof or record that you guys are actually trading?
Mm-hmm. Wait a minute. I'm finding the withdrawals and deposit what I do on my main account, but I'm trying to figure out where the trade history. Okay.
Okay.
Transaction. Minute. Let me find. Give me a minute here.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry.
This is live. Don't worry.
Well, I can show you. Okay, wait a minute. Here, dame para compartir pantalla.
Okay. Let me make him a host so that he can share a screen.
Mm-hmm.
Give me 1 second.
Son palabras. Estoy aquí.
Hey. There you go.
Okay. So, you can see here, I connected a bot,
Okay.
and I am buying and selling orders. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I see.
I can show you because I cannot find the big picture or the history completely, but as you can see, I'm filling orders, making volume, and selling, buying orders. Okay, if you want a better how can I explain puede, o sea, si él quiere un histórico por día, yo voy a hablar con el exchange para brindar esa información si él la necesita. Pero aquí él puede ver que a este momento en vivo se está tradeando, se está comprando y se está vendiendo monedas, de las cuales ya aquí tenemos 21,000 monedas que hemos reciclado, tenemos balance en Ethereum y por supuesto si tenemos en los distintos pares se están haciendo esas operaciones, o sea, estas order history son del par BTC.
Déjame. Es mucho, espérate, que es mucho.
Dale, ve explicando.
Okay, I think if you just click on your history.
What he's saying is that as you can see here, there's a lot of pairs that are being traded right now. And if you want like a historic of these transactions, he can print it for ask Probit to print it for you and send it to you. But you can see here in real time those trades that are really happening, or in the volumes that he has in his account.
Okay, but yeah, if you click on history up on the top. Yeah, right there.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I've had like multiple people ask. They want in my network. They want trade proof. So
for withdrawals, if you see that history for withdrawals, I cannot see the historical of trade. You know, that's why I told it. If you want the real historical, I can talk to the exchange and he give me the entire historical.
Yeah. If you could get that, then I can share that file in our Facebook group. Then everyone can see, because people always ask, show us trade proof.
For sure.
Excellent.
But you're looking here the real on this live video.
Isn't that trade history right here?
Yeah, right there. Trade history. But that's the actual exchange. That's like everyone, like is in the whole exchange. That's not the NEXUMS trade history.
196,000 or 100. I don't know. I don't have the time, but that's the money for trading. The money comes on the NEXUMS, come to here. We buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. We got a production of ETH balance to pay that orders. Okay.
Got it. Thanks.
You can see here live. I will talk today with my project lister, the people in charge of me on Probit to send this to you, and you can share it with your partners or the interested people. I can get it for you.
Sounds
Awesome.
good.
That's great.
And then my third question was, a lot of the white paper is copied word for word from the Bitcoin Vault white paper. Is there a plan to create a more unique or a more original white paper for ETH Plus?
Yeah. I want to talk about that because I work with some people on the idea of the project of Bitcoin Vault. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
The idea was mine, but they are talking about milling system, and the truth is another. But I don't want to talk bad about another project successful, because I'm taking the idea what I create and create by myself. It's some problems and some things there, but is the thing is it's word by word because it's the same project, but they are I have to say it, no one knows if they are mining Bitcoin Vault. I'm thinking from here they have just a token. They say, I got a explorer of my blockchain. But if you send a transaction, you see on his blockchain, and it's not, no se compara, o sea, no concuerda. ¿Cuál es la palabra? No concuerdan las transacciones con su explorador.
They don't match.
They don't match the orders when you transfer. They don't match on his explorer, and that's why today they were dislisted from Liquid. Okay, so no one knows. No one are going to the office to know the real meaning system, what they're talking about. I'm here, I just think there's just a token, and ETHPlus is a token, but we never talk about mining. We're talking about production with the trading system, and the coins are here. Okay, that's why it's so hard to say how many tokens are uncirculating. Okay, it's very hard to send the request to CoinMarketCap. What I did, I'm trying to update the supply figures, but it's too hard because I got all the assets on my hands, and just giving to the trading system, paying, and that's so hard. That's why it's so hard to say no. It's only 300. But if you ask to me, there are only like 400.000 tokens on circulation of 20 millions of them. I don't know if you catch me the idea. I'm trying to figure out how to transmit it to you.
Well, I'm glad that you said something about
Thank
that,
you.
man, because I've had some questions about that too. I appreciate your honesty in terms of, what you're doing here with NEXUMS. Now, another question that I had was, now, are you behind NEXUMS as well as ETH Plus, or is NEXUMS someone else's platform?
I want to speak clearly about that. Remember, I'm the creator of the asset, okay?
Right.
And so many platforms are working with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin, I'm just the creator of that, and I'm supporting them, the NEXUMS project, because they talk to me to, hey, we are going to make some. I have this trading system, and the trading system I connected, but all the payments are going by me. The answer is, I'm not the owner of NEXUMS, but I'm the integrated, or I'm the people in charge who NEXUMS works with the money. Because I don't say NEXUMS, hey NEXUMS, take 10 million on stocking and make your work. No.
Gotcha.
So who is the actual owner of NEXUM?
Exactamente. Exactly.
What was your question?
My question was who is the actual owner of NEXUMS?
I firm a confidential agreement. I cannot talk about that, but it's in London, the office, and the people if we settle more, si seguimos asegurando el futuro, ya esa información vendrá. Pero tanto NEXUM como dueños del multinivel como yo no queremos que pase algo mal. Queremos que todo se vaya haciendo acorde, porque siempre señalan a uno, señalan a otro y nadie sabe dónde está todo. Pero para que se lo digas, o sea, yo soy la persona encargada y la responsable de que NEXUM pague las monedas que dice que tiene que pagar.
Okay, it says that they have like an agreement between both sides, both parties. NEXUMS, which is like the promoter, the money maker, or the community maker of ETH Plus, but he and NEXUMS have this agreement not to disclose much about this until everything is settled down. Remember that this has been like 8, 9, 10 days that everything started, but he wants you and us to make sure to know that everything related to payments with ETH Plus, he's in charge.
Okay.
Because he is the person, the developer, the creator, the owner, let's call it like that, the owner of the token. So NEXUMS cannot pay by themselves. He is the one in charge of paying everything. So we are talking to the man here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if you have another question, or Cryptodom, or you.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
There's another question here. Cryptodom, go ahead, and I'm gonna read a question from the chat after you.
Yeah, I was going to do that as well, because I've been getting that question as well. People are asking about the projection of the prediction of how much ETH Plus will be in the next 6 months. Do you have any scale of that, what you think the price will be?
Well, in the first month, where I will say, hey, it's going to take $20, 25. When I see this first caption or this first vision of what the price will cost, and I say $1 in 16 days, and now we are on $4 and $5. You know, if I told you $20 in 1 month can be $100, two, you know, $15, 16. It's not secure. But I always talk in the channel of ¿cómo es la palabra? No, la palabra que, o sea, no quiero hablar acerca de decir un precio que sea otro, pero siempre hablo en escenario pesimista. Digo que va a costar entre los 20 a $30, pero la primera vez que dije eso, dije que iba a costar $1 en 60 días y hoy por hoy estamos en 5. O sea que eso es algo que ni siquiera yo puedo manejar, pero sí asegurar de que de hoy a mañana va a estar en $10 y el mes lo aseguro en $20. Quizás se tomen una sorpresa, pero hacia arriba, no hacia abajo.
Okay, he says that he doesn't like predictions because the first prediction he had, he failed badly because he said that he predicted that the coin was going to be $1 between the first 60 days, and now it's almost 5, and he was 7 and something the other day. So what he can for sure say is that in the next 6 months, maybe earlier, it should be between $20 and $30. And this week, like he said before, it should be close to $10. All right. So that's his predictions. He doesn't like to predict because but what he's seeing is that it might be either from tomorrow on, from next week on. I mean, to the end of the week might be close to $10 already.
Okay. This question is pretty much about the Nexus platform. I know he said he wasn't the owner, but do you have any input on how the website is looking and the performance of it in terms of the technical team? Because there's been a couple of things as far as like bugs here and there and the support team and things like that, where some of the things on the website, they could be a little bit more user-friendly. For instance, the packages that we have, the plans, I don't see an area where it tells us how close we are to reaching that, right? In the back office. I do see at the career plan level, but I do believe that's just for, the volume and the different ranks and stuff like that in the system. But if we're earning the ETH Plus balance, I don't see anywhere, unless I'm not looking in the right place, for us to tell us how close we are to doubling our investment.
Okay, I could tell you. I mean, that part, when you are in front of your dashboard, you see how much you have earned in dollars. Remember, we're getting paid in dollars, but I mean, we are being calculated in dollars, but
Right. What I'm saying is a lot of other platforms have like a little bar or something to show you that, though, right?
I know.
And I'm asking him, is it something that he can ask the developers or the people that are running NEXUMS to add? Like, is he open to having more input on things like that?
Okay. ¿Tú entendiste todo eso, Fernando?
Él dice que, por ejemplo, ¿dónde ve su balance?
No, él dice que, por ejemplo, hay que tiene algunos bugs, algunos errorcitos, algunas fallas de la plataforma, y es cierto. Pero, por ejemplo, la parte donde se supone que uno tiene que doblar nuestra inversión, pero entonces no hay como una barrita que vaya diciendo, bueno, tú vas en el 75% de tu paquete, todo aquello. Eso solamente aparece con el plan de carrera, pero no aparece con la inversión. Que si eso se pudiera agregar, sería excelente.
Okay, we can, it's true, the system of NEXUMS are having some glitch now. We are, by me, I told him make a very good support system to take the tickets or the question of the people of this glitch. About the percentage bar, it's here. You say about it's a career plan, but you don't know what is your bar to fill your plan. because we can add it. Okay, I can talk to the developers to put a bar here. We talk to you where cuándo será finalizada, where it's going to finish. Okay, but it's here because I have a plan of 10.000. My finish plan is over 20. You know, 20,000. ¿Cómo se dice?
20,000.
20,000. If I buy a plan of 10,000, deal will finish in 20,000. Okay, I can see here. What tip I have to you guys? If you have money here, $53, and it costs, it will be 12 ETH Plus. Every day withdraw every day as you can, because if the price is too up, when the price go up, the platform of NEXUMS will be paid minus
less.
With NEXUMS will pay you less ETH Plus, and you can earn the double here. And if you withdraw, you can earn the increment or the massive earnings of the cost of the token. That's why if you got $50 here, go and withdraw. Okay, if you leave the money here, you will earn less ETH Plus.
Right. I understand that part. I asked that question because, there are people that are testing this thing out, leaders, strong leaders, testing it out with $100, etc. And then they're sharing their links. And when they bring in somebody that may want a $50,000 plan or something like that, or they're just bringing in more and more people for them to see their progress, they can upgrade before they reach the 200% and still, have people coming in. And if they don't upgrade in time, right, they don't get those commissions because their package would be expired at that point. So I was just pretty much saying something, a visual for people to be able to see that, because I think that'll help out a lot of people instead of them, looking at the total earnings and things like that, kind of like a progress bar. I think that'll be something good to add to the platform.
Yes, I talk about the NEXUMS development team because the idea what we are selling is go ahead and do some ETH Plus, and when the price goes up, you are not investing $100. Each 100 is
right.
So if you invest $20 today and the price of the token are going to $20, the price of 100 is cost to you $20. We are fomenting the buys over the exchange to the new people. Hold on a little bit, and they can go and come in with minus money because they earning for all the ecosystem. Remember, the money comes on the NEXUMS are the money to buy all orders on the exchange. That's why it's an ecosystem.
Okay.
I have a question from the chat. Tengo una pregunta del chat. Dice, si tú sabes, how many current users are on the platform from residual wrong? How you doing, guys? I mean, si tienes una idea de cuántos usuarios hay ahora mismo en NEXUMS activos.
Alrededor de 12,000 usuarios. Y tenedores de la moneda, más de 800,000 personas que ya están tradeando y haciendo trabajo ahí en el exchange.
12,000 activos in NEXUMS?
Sí.
Wow. So he says that NEXUMS already has over 12,000 members, And when it comes to the token holders, it's over 800,000 people already. Wow.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So this is what is Marta. This is an English Zoom, but this is not a business plan Zoom. We will announce it. We will announce it soon. We will announce it soon. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna be having educational or instructional Zoom calls very, very soon. Okay.
Guys,
anybody else have one final question? Vamos a hacer una última pregunta. One final question because Fernando has to go. He has. Anyone has a final question?
I've got one more question. Is there going to be any requirement for members to KYC, and is there any policy against members creating multiple positions?
Que si va a haber tú sabes lo que es el KYC, si va a haber necesidad de que la gente haga
no habrá necesidad, o sea, no importa
que la gente pueda crear multicuentas, tampoco importa, ¿verdad?
Exacto, no importa porque las personas pueden crear cuantas posiciones quieran, porque ya nosotros lo que hicimos fue bloquear eso en el sistema binario, que cada persona cuando ingresa tiene un reloj, que es lo que sucede con las empresas, que se explotan, que no hay manera de pagar la nómina, pero ya nosotros sacamos los cálculos completamente e hicimos 180 días, o sea, él puede crear cuantas cuentas él desee, superar y cobrar bonos binarios de cuando él desee, porque la combustión de la subida de precio va a hacer que nosotros podamos pagar eso y el tiempo establecido para reiniciar todo.
Okay, so he says that there won't be any KYC coming up, and it doesn't matter how many accounts you create, because with the increase of prices and the trading that the scalping trading that they're doing, they will be able to pay everything. And not only that, if you look at your account, there is a countdown clock with the binary. After 6 months, it will flush. So it doesn't matter how many accounts you create. 6 months, you're done. It will reset. So they have like everything calculated when it comes to payments and that stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So guys, thank you so much, Fernando. Muchísimas gracias.
Quiero agregar una cosa para premiar. Here's the clock, but para premiar a todas las personas que se encontraron en este Zoom, prestar su tiempo y para que crean en el proyecto, voy a hacer un pequeño airdrop. A cada una de las personas que están aquí, le voy a regalar 5 ETH Plus. Voy a regalarle 5 ETH Plus a cada persona que se encuentre en este Zoom. Y te los voy a pasar a ti, Luis. Tú te encargas de pagarle a cada uno de ellos. Dime, bueno, hay 72 personas, 72 por 5. Tú les envías los tokens a cada uno de ellos. De verdad, gracias por participar aquí, prestarme su tiempo.
Ok, no te me vayas, déjame anunciar eso, que eso está muy chulo. Espérate. Okay, guys, we have great news. And all of the 72 people that are here, Fernando has been so great with us that he's gonna do an airdrop, and all of us are going to receive a 5 ETH Plus present from him. Okay, so that's a good present because it might be $500 soon. So okay, Cryptodon, please, he's gonna send it to me. And then me and Cryptodon, we're gonna share it with you. All right. So Cryptodon, pay attention to all the people that are here in the Zoom. And then Fernando, thank you so much. Oh my God, you are so.
Thank you, Fernando.
Great.
Thank you, Fernando.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you, Fernando.
Thank you very much.
You guys don't go. Let me wait for Cryptodon to take note who is in here. So
Okay.
that I can share this ETH Plus with everybody. Oh my God! You see?
It's a lot of
Thank
people
you,
here, man.
Fernando.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm
A lot
glad.
of people.
Goodbye. Thank you very much.
Don't go anywhere, guys.
Gracias, Fernando. I appreciate it, everybody, for coming. I'm really excited about this opportunity.
Muchas gracias, Fernando.
It's going to be a game changer.
Thank
Muchas
you.
gracias, Fernando. Saludos desde Ecuador.
Saludos.
Gracias. Saludos desde Hong Kong.
Wow, Hong Kong. Wow, that would be great. Okay, while Cryptodon takes notes of who is here in this call.
Hello from the Philippines.
Thank you. Thank you from London. Thank you.
Oh, wow, I'm in the United States.
Thank you from South Africa.
How about this? How about this? How about this to make it easy? How about everybody?
Thank you from South Africa.
Thank
So-
you.
Let Cryptodon speak, guys. Oh my God.
I need
Oh my
it.
God.
I need everybody to post their username. I think the best way to do it was people put their usernames in the chat so I can copy all the usernames and then they can
Hello from the
recognize it in the
Philippines.
system.
From Philippines.
You know I'm here, Cryptodon. Marco Ricciardi.
Hello to all. Hello to all. Thank you.
Thank you for all for coming.
Hello, people. My name is Edison. I'm speaking from USA. Greetings for you guys. This is the best company.
It is awesome.
Very nice.